Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 119. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2, 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. No help here, 2, 5, 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8. 5 and 8 here. Oh, nope, that would be wrong. This column, and I don't see any help, so 2, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. No help here, 2, 6, 7. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7. 7 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 9. 6 and 9 here. Makes this our 2, 9, 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 7, 6. We can get rid of this 2. And that means that the 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 3. 9 here, so 1, 3. That means that our 9 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.